Welcome to Decor Insider. Today, we are exploring 16 of the best front yard flower bed ideas, perfect for turning your outdoor space into a colorful, welcoming paradise. Whether you love neat borders, wild cottage gardens, or simple low-maintenance layouts, there is something here for every style and season. So, let's dive into these beautiful ideas and find the perfect one for your home. One. Colorful layered beds. Start with a mix of perennials and annuals layered by height and color. Imagine tall delphiniums at the back, mid-height daisies in the middle, and low petunias in front. This gives your flower bed a full, vibrant look all year long and adds instant curb appeal. Two. Ornamental grass borders. Add texture and movement with ornamental grasses like fountain grass or blue fescue. They're low maintenance, thrive in many climates, and pair beautifully with colorful blooms for a modern, breezy look. Three. Single species showcase. For a bold and elegant touch, try a one-species flower bed, like all roses, peonies, or tulip. A uniform bed makes a dramatic statement and is surprisingly easy to care for since all plants share similar needs. Four. Shade-loving flower mixes. If your yard doesn't get much sun, plant shade lovers such as impatiens, begonias, hostas, and ferns. Their soft greens and bright petals create a cool, cozy atmosphere near porches or large trees. Five. Raised flower bed. Raised beds make gardening easier on your back and add structure to your front yard. Fill them with colorful blooms or herbs, and line the edges with bricks or wood for a clean, organized look. Six. Pathway framed bed. Line your walkway or driveway with flower-filled borders. Choose compact annuals like marigolds, lobelia, or alyssum to guide guests towards your front door with color and charm. Seven. Cottage-style eclectic bed. Create that storybook cottage look with a joyful mix of colors and plant height. Blend roses, foxgloves, lavender, and daisies. It's informal, cheerful, and full of life. Eight. Nature-inspired rock gardens. Combine boulders, gravel, and drought-tolerant plants for a natural, rugged beauty. Add sedums, succulents, or alpine flowers, perfect for low-water landscapes that still bloom with personality. Nine. Shrub-anchored beds. Anchor your flower beds with low-maintenance shrubs like hydrangeas or boxwoods. Then fill the gaps with seasonal flowers for year-round interest and structure. Ten. Evergreen interest. Keep your yard looking fresh even in winter with evergreens or conifers mixed among your blooms. Their steady greenery provides contrast and helps your garden look alive in every season. Container and wheelbarrow beds. Add height and creativity using planters, barrels, or vintage wheelbarrows filled with flowers. They're perfect for renters or small spaces and can be updated each season with new plants. Triangular corner beds. Use awkward front yard corners by building triangular beds, perhaps framed by a white picket fence. Plant a small tree or tall flowers in the back and shorter ones near the edges for a balanced, classic look. Climbing flower features. Add a romantic touch with trellises, arbors, or arches covered in climbing roses or clematis. These vertical gardens draw the eye upward and instantly make your entrance feel elegant and welcoming. Pollinator-friendly choices. Create a buzz, literally. Choose bee and butterfly-friendly flowers like lavender, coneflower, and salvia. You'll enjoy colorful blooms and a lively, eco-friendly front yard filled with gentle movement. Creative edging and mulch. Define your beds with stone, brick, or wooden edging, and top the soil with mulch. This not only keeps the area neat but also retains moisture and prevents weeds for easy care. Mixed bulbs and fast-growing seed. Finally, plant spring bulbs and fast-growing summer flowers together. Tulips and daffodils bloom early, while zinnias or cosmos take over later, giving you a long season of continuous color.